So this is in regard to the recent incident that happened, 2-3 days back. So me myamnasu ubiramani tabiramani videos me am sinkiva, but let us all remember that every coin has two sides. Ko moigi side of story tabaroi hai. Huzik, please listen to our side of story. So aina aham bamaktada haijaning badi. Huzik ki hariba auntie haisra ima haisra ma se lungbiram da leiba natte. She is from Imphal second Mardik Lakpane. And then aina ngasi haning badi sigi Thoudokse noina lungviram hain haibasi. Lungviram gi relate kari sulaite madi individually as an individual person mana lamlehi bani Amson haiba mi adagi ko. And aduga Amson haiba sina kanara haiga, he is the chief of Consakul. So Amson se Consakul gining thogneba. Aduga Amson sina kari toba haiga akhoi leilon khunaugi lamdu mana yonthok charakpaneba. Yonthok lambado akhoi indi kai khangbi de. So for example, noigi compound da noigi yum mamang da noigi lamdu da mi na yum sagi na laadi kai suhai bida without any prior notice, without anything beforehand, laaga lamsagi na laadi. What would you think? Let me just briefly tell you what really happened. Go without any filter. That 6 numitsida JCB puraga yum sanangai landu takke na lakpane ba moise ko laaga. And then after akoy nakhamba matungda, we went to them and we requested them earnestly, very humbly. Ako na request ako ba asise ako gileron kuno gilamne asi please sabiganu without any prior notice ka idletabida asmain sabiganu horeng ko na fazana clarity leraga ngangna ba matungda you can continue your work, but for now please hold tobiyo sabiganu haibaneba ko bizan request ore or workers ma'am sulaye. And then yanaraga moyum chakre. And then the next day, they still continue the same thing. And then, obviously, and then request there will be a problem afterwards. But still, they try to continue their work. Leilon Kunaugi authority ga moigi Amson gi moigi authority ga laeba nganaraga towe yaro ingai hayeba. And then they keep on talking about Ireland. Akoi gi lamne lamda yum sagi tawraga moina khami haiba. Adu khamdu kari gi maramra su hai haideba in the video me am yengeba. Kari gi noi gi land su hai haidraga noi, like you talk as if noigi lamda hoina thingapogumna kukisingna laaga thingapogumna hayeba. Please do not do that, khangbra. We all are Christians, we all believe in God. Ko huzik matam se yamna very tense matam neba, as we all know kari issue thok prana. And on top of that, we adding oil to the fire to please to be ganuba. And then you don't have to include the whole Naga society because of this, because of your individual concern nang as the situation is already worst. Please don't try to add oil to the fire. Ado haijaning bani. Ado my dear auntie, my dear mom, ay ima gumbani ko. Noina sise ehoi gilamne hardi. Please bring your legal documents. No legal government recognized over documents like that. No na kamay na like kadi wakhan lega ahoy gilamni hai na no claim to ba yabraba. Ahoy gilegan kuno gi mingdadi. We all have each and everything documented. Kambra government recognized over document legal document leyeba. Ado no gi kaisu legal kaisu leitana ahoy gilamni kuki machasna la aga phubi adu to bi habdo nang kadi wakhan lega nang wana conscience habas later braba. And then you keep on talking about how people exalted you. Aduga phubi phone su lambi at my tobudu katai the story laga nang sakat panoba ay yam nga eba. Please listen to me carefully. Nang I know that nang nungayam dabayay pesame am tingmuraga lamdali roga nang gilamduda I understand your concern. I me oy baniko. But that is between you and Amson. Amson and nangwanda kari lam yo lambra ma yinatabado. That's not up to us. Khangbra ahoy ga kari su relate de. But still ahoy nangwanda pazana request oraga si tawbiganu pazana ngangnaraga adu taraga you can continue your work haizabane ba. Adu nang na husik drama tho ibese kaino ba. You shouted this and that in media da kaino nganga like falsely me bu kera involved on badu karigit mai tawbra ba. And then to all my dear CSO executives and leaders, just because as an issue, an incident, no in a kari issue tigatabida, you know, like I've said, coincida front and back lego. Adudu ama side to kari issue tigatabida, no in a lambi timba adudu tobudu. Like, why did you do? It's my earnest request. If you really want, you know, the truth to be, you know, prevailing, magi truth to asing budu prevail tauge, khangdo ke harde please, pazana tigapiyo. No give ama side story khak tatabiganuba. I know, like the situation is already very worse right now. Ko kari tho ibai loina khangna bani, but still, I am earnestly requesting you. Situation do kamai na tora kamai tobra, kari himaram de githokbra, adu pasan thigat piyu. And last but not the least, very most importantly, kananasu antibu imabu exalto bide phubide. Aduga molest tawgira natraga rape tawgira adugumba karisu laite. No one even threw your phone. Ko ahoy nang na video ko man number aduda taraga. We just earnestly requested you admai tawganu lana thokhini adumba nambiganu pasanga na se ashi tawganu hai bahaiza baneba aduga nang na mi la aga phubi admai tawbudu kadai digi lakpano ba aduga adu request tawriba mi rusu nupi ne ko nupa na nangwanda la aga admai hai banate ba. Ahoy na puning di nupa ani ahum lebudu puroidro blue and black tahan loidra ba adun na tabida kadai de gino nanga story sagat padu the audacity that you have as a Christian woman go as a mother ay nga eba. That is why I was compelled to make this video. Aduga mi mayam na khang ngai di ahoy gi anti haijari base lungviram da leiba sunate ma Imphal digi lakpani ko second ma Imphal digi lakpani. Please, no, let's stop making allegations, false accusations. Go, let's all hope for the better, but never with lies. Aduga, to all my agi and ima auntie, liang my women society bu, aina please, aina request tawsaningba, appeal tawsaningba di, pot se achumba karira, pasana titok piyu. Adu kari su khangdana mi amagi story khak taraga ko like support blindly support obiganu khangbra. We all are Christians, forget about them, but we all are Christians. Ishort hazaba mi ngaktani. So please pot khuding mak se chumgira langira phazana thigat laga ngangna se asumaina media da video namraga tumaina thadoga sandokpadu tobiroi se tobiganu please. Ko noise story say it's very bad without knowing the like real truth. Ama thigatana please tawbiroi se please